A company wants to use an AI agent to automate some tasks. They want everyone to understand the different functions of an AI agent. What is the function of an AI agent in the context of Gen AI? It to provide the computational resources needed to train and run Gen AI models. B. To store and manage large datasets used for training and running Gen AI models. C. To provide a user-friendly interface for interacting with Gen AI models. D. To analyze situations, use multiple tools, and make informed decisions without requiring constant human input. Correct answer, D. To analyze situations, use multiple tools, and make informed decisions without requiring constant human input. What is the definition of generative AI? A type of predictive model that estimates a relationship by fitting a line to the observed data. B. A type of artificial intelligence that can create new content and ideas, including text, images, music, and code. C. A type of machine learning algorithm inspired by the human brain that is made up of interconnected nodes. D. A type of artificial intelligence that enables a system to autonomously learn and improve using neural networks and deep learning. Correct answer, B. A type of artificial intelligence that can create new content and ideas, including text, images, music, and code. A development team is configuring a generative AI model for a customer-facing application and wants to ensure the generated content is appropriate and harmless. What is the primary function of the safety settings parameter in a generative AI model? To control the creativity and randomness of the model's output by adjusting the diversity of word choices. B. To filter out potentially harmful or inappropriate content from the model's output based on the desired level of filtering. C. To limit the maximum text length that the model generates by ensuring concise responses. D. To determine the number of tokens the model can process at once by influencing the complexity and length of inputs and outputs. Correct answer, B. To filter out potentially harmful or inappropriate content from the model's output based on the desired level of filtering. What is the definition of an AI agent? An application that learns how to achieve a goal based on inputs and tools available to it. B. A human expert who oversees and manages the operation of a Gen AI application. C. A type of user interface that allows users to interact with a Gen AI application. D. A static component of a Gen AI application that provides information to the user. Correct answer, A. An application that learns how to achieve a goal based on inputs and tools available to it. A company is developing an AI character for a video game. The AI character needs to learn how to navigate a complex environment and make decisions to achieve certain objectives within the game. When the AI takes actions that lead to positive outcomes like finding a reward or overcoming an obstacle, it receives a positive score. When it takes actions that lead to negative outcomes, like hitting a wall or losing progress, it receives a negative score. Through this process of trial and error, the AI gradually improves the character's ability to play the game effectively. What machine learning should the company use? What machine learning should the company use? A. Reinforcement learning. B. Unsupervised learning. C. Supervised learning. D. A deep learning. Correct answer, A. Reinforcement learning. A research team has collected a large dataset of sensor readings from various industrial machines. This dataset includes measurements like temperature, pressure, vibration levels, and electrical current, recorded at regular intervals. The team has not yet assigned any labels or categories to these readings and wants to identify potential anomalies, malfunctions, or natural groupings of machine behavior based on the sensor data alone. What type of machine learning should they use? Options. A. Reinforcement learning. B. Unsupervised learning. C. Deep learning. D. Supervised learning. Answer B. Unsupervised learning. A generative AI engineer has a provisioned throughput model serving endpoint as part of a RAG application and would like to monitor the serving endpoint's incoming requests and outgoing responses. The current approach is to include a microservice in between the endpoint and the user interface to write logs to a remote server. Which Databricks feature should they use instead which will perform the same task? A. Vector search. B. A Lakeview. C. DBSQL. D. Inference tables. Correct answer, D. A financial services company receives a high volume of loan applications daily submitted as scanned documents and PDFs with varying layouts. The manual process of extracting key information is time-consuming and prone to errors. This causes delays in loan processing and impacts customer satisfaction. The company wants to automate the extraction of this critical data to improve efficiency and accuracy. Which Google Cloud tool should they use? A. Document AI API. B. Natural Language API. C. Vision AI. D. Dataflow. Correct answer, A. Document AI API. A company has a machine learning project that involves diverse data types like streaming data and structured databases. How does Google Cloud support data gathering for this project? A Google Cloud provides tools such as pub/sub, cloud storage, and Cloud SQL. B. The Gemini app is the primary Google Cloud tool for directly collecting data. C. Google Cloud's strengths are in the data analysis tools such as BigQuery. D. Google Cloud relies on Vertex AI to connect to external data. Suggested answer, A. Suggested answer, A. Google Cloud provides tools such as pub/sub, cloud storage, and Cloud SQL. A software developer needs a highly efficient, open-source large language model that can be fine-tuned on a local machine for rapid prototyping of a chatbot application. They require a model that offers strong performance in natural language understanding and generation, while being lightweight enough to run on limited hardware. Which Google-developed family of models should they use? A. Veo. B. Gemini. C. Gemma. D. Imagen. Suggested answer, C. Gemma. An organization wants to use generative AI to create a marketing campaign. They need to ensure that the AI model generates text that is appropriate for the target audience. What should the organization do? Options. A. Use role prompting. B. Use prompt chaining. C. Use few-shot prompting. D. Adjust the temperature parameter. Answer A. Use role prompting. A social media platform uses a generative AI model to automatically generate summaries of user-submitted posts to provide quick overviews for other users. While the summaries are generally accurate for factual posts, the model occasionally misinterprets sarcasm, satire, or nuanced opinions, leading to summaries that misrepresent the original intent and potentially cause misunderstandings or offense among users. What should the platform do to overcome this limitation of the AI-generated summaries? A. Implement stricter safety settings to filter out potentially misinterpreted content altogether. B. Increase the temperature parameter of the model to encourage more varied and less literal interpretations. C. Decrease the output length of the summaries to make them more concise. D. Incorporate a human-in-the-loop (HITL) review process to refine the summaries. Suggested answer, D. Incorporate a human-in-the-loop (HITL) review process to refine the summaries. A large e-commerce company with a vast and frequently updated product catalog finds that customers struggle to find products on their website, and support agents spend too much time finding detailed product information. The company wants to improve search accuracy and efficiency for both customers and support. What Google Cloud solution should they use? Options. A. Vertex AI Conversation. B. A Vertex AI Natural Language API. C. A pre-built RAG with Vertex AI Search. D. A Vertex AI Model Garden. Answer, C. Pre-built RAG with Vertex AI Search. Which of the following best defines a foundation model? A. A small ML model designed for edge devices. B. A model built only for structured datasets. C. A large model pre-trained on broad data, adaptable to various tasks. D. A model that is static and cannot be fine-tuned. Correct answer C. A large model pre-trained on broad data, adaptable to various tasks. A company's large learning model, LLM, is producing hallucinations that are a result of the knowledge cutoff. How does retrieval augmented generation, RAG, overcome this limitation? Options. A. RAG fine-tunes the LLM on specific customer query patterns to improve the speed and efficiency of response generation. B. RAG enhances the creative writing capabilities of the LLM to generate more engaging and informative responses. C. RAG enables the LLM to retrieve relevant and up-to-date information from knowledge sources. D. RAG uses human oversight to ensure accuracy before presenting information to the customer. Answer, C. RAG enables the LLM to retrieve relevant and up-to-date information from knowledge sources. A security team needs a centralized platform to gain a comprehensive overview of their organization's security health across their entire Google Cloud environment, including potential threats to their generative AI deployments. Which Google Cloud security offering is specifically for this purpose? Options. A. Workload monitoring tools. B. Security Command Center. C. Identity and access management. D. A secure by design infrastructure. Answer, B. Security Command Center. A global news agency is developing a generative AI tool to quickly summarize breaking news articles as they emerge online. The goal is to provide their audience with rapid updates on fast-developing stories from various global sources. What Google Cloud solution should they use? Options. A. Document AI. B. BigQuery. C. A Vertex AI Natural Language API. D. Grounding with Google search. Answer D. Grounding with Google search. A development team is building an internal knowledge-based chatbot to answer employee questions about company policies and procedures. This information is stored across various documents in Google Cloud Storage and is updated regularly by different departments. What is the primary benefit of using Google Cloud's RAG APIs in this scenario? Options. A. They provide a pre-built user interface for the chatbot, simplifying the front-end development process. B. They allow the development team to train a single foundation model on all company documents. C. They enable the generative AI model to retrieve the most up-to-date and relevant information from the policy documents in real time. D. They automatically create summaries of all company policies, which are then presented to employees as quick answers. Correct answer, C. They enable the generative AI model to retrieve the most up-to-date and relevant information from the policy documents in real time. What does Vertex AI Search enable companies to do? Options. A. To index and retrieve information from the entire public web, providing a comprehensive view of publicly available data. B. To surface the most popular and frequently accessed content based on global user search patterns and trends. C. To compare products from numerous online retailers, allowing users to find the best deals and product options across the Internet. D. To ground LLM responses with first-party data, third-party data, and Google's knowledge graph. Correct answer, D. To ground LLM responses with first-party data, third-party data, and Google's knowledge graph. A company is defining their generative AI strategy. They want to follow Google recommended practices to increase their chances of success. Which strategy should they use? Options. A. Rapid implementation strategy. B. Bottom-up strategy. C. Multi-directional strategy. D. Top-down strategy. Correct answer, D. Top-down strategy.